So here we are in Nagoya, Japan, and we see some of the early concept designs of the Toyota Prius. Now, during the development and design phase of the Toyota Prius, the company Toyota started using a so-called Obeya, which translates to big room. What is it? Here we see an example of an Obeya. This one belongs to a student company at our university, and this student company produces furniture items. The point of this room is to visually sum up key information for stakeholders. You invite them, they inform themselves, they interact with each other, they interact with you, they provide feedback, and you learn. For example, in this case, they have a wall dedicated to customer feedback and problems, including a little root cause analysis with a Pareto chart. They have a wall dedicated to important metrics, such as sales and profit, but also some metrics that lead to sales and profit in the long run, such as, for example, delivery time. After all, bad delivery time over time causes customer dissatisfaction, and this over time causes less sales, less revenue, less profit. Then there is a wall dedicated to the future, including some concept designs, and there is even a little survey here to get feedback about the possible designs. Now, finally, a part of the room is dedicated to basically showing the progress of various actions. Are they still in a to-do phase, or are they actively being done, or are these actions already finished? Must you arrange your Obeya like this? No, absolutely not. You can arrange it in many ways. Here is one more hypothetical example in which one wall is dedicated to purpose and customers, one to products and solutions, one to performance and flow, and one to problems and actions. But please realize many more arrangements are possible. Remember, as we always say at SSAA, the tools and techniques are here to serve you. You're never here to serve them.